Here we go, box of limited Mirror. Good luck, sir. All Rangers. Should be alright with that. Decently thick. Definitely a weird pack. Definitely a weird pack. Let's see what we got on the back. Okay. Team trademarks. $2.99. Sidney Crosby. Oh, it's a redemption. That's why. I was like, why is it? Bobby Ryan. Base. Red Spotlight. Joe Thornton. 49. Brett Hull for the Coyotes. Now into the hips. Phenoms rookie number 237. Brett Bulmer for the Wild. 237. Brett Bulmer. Let me know if you want me to rename that. And Jamie Benn, Team Trademarks jersey number 299. And we have a Jumbo Prime 3 colors, yellow, white, and red. It's probably going to be hard for you to see the yellow. Numbered 6/50, Renee Bork. Yellow, white, and red. Oh, you can see it just fine. There you go. Renee Bork, Jumbo Prime.